IPOs worth 35,000 crore rupees are all set to hit the D street over the next 2 months. So there's going to be an IPO rush that all of you need to prepare yourself for. The lineup will actually feature some of India's most well-known consumer and fintech brands, including Lenskart, Grow, Pine Labs, ICICI Prudential AMC, and even Boat for that matter. Remember, this resurgence in the IPO activity now coincides with the optimism that's returning in the secondary markets as well. So far, also in 2025, 1 lakh crore of funds via IPOs have already been mobilized. In fact, last quarter was the busiest post the pandemic of 2020. And in fact, last quarter alone, we have seen 100 new listings on the D Street, wherein LG IPO was among the most successful ones with over 50% listing gains as well. On the other hand, among the large companies that came up with the IPOs was Tata Capital, but the muted listing there reminded investors of how sentiment alone cannot guarantee listing gains. Now, going forward from here, there's going to be Lenskart, which is going to be in the eyewear category, expected to raise about 8,000 odd crore rupees. This could come in the first week of November itself. Also, online broker company Grow that could also launch a 7,000 odd crore rupees IPO again in the first week potentially of November, that is being anticipated. There are other large ones also, including Boat and also Pine Labs, ICICI Prudential AMC, Hero FinCorp also. All of these IPOs are expected to list or at least launch their IPOs before December as well. Now, Kotak Equity Broking Firm has also mentioned that over 200 companies are already lining up to raise about 2.9 lakh crore rupees in next year as well. So the IPO, pace that will gather in the last 2 months of current calendar year 2025 can actually continue to buzz even in the next year, that's 2026 as well, with over almost 3 lakh crore rupees of funds getting mobilized by 200 companies that could line up in the new year.